By the year 2030, the bank branch at the corner of your street and be a bank anymore. It will likely be a coffee shop or a gallery. Your bank account is no longer a number in a centralized database. It's an intelligent, self-sovereign entity. In the next decade, the collision of artificial intelligence and blockchain is going to strip the power away from Wall Street and the City of London and hand it directly to you. But with this new freedom comes a new set of rules. Today, we're re-stepping into the wealth frontier of 2030 to see how your money is about to change forever. If you aren't prepared, your traditional savings are already obsolete. Let's look at the future. In 2030, you don't check your bank account. Your bank account works for you. Imagine an AI agent integrated directly with your wallet that monitors global inflation, interest rates, and market volatility while you sleep. This isn't just a bot, it's an autonomous financial officer. It automatically moves your stagnant cash into the highest-yielding risk-adjusted protocols across the globe. Whether it's a decentralized lending pool in Singapore or a tokenized real estate project in London, your money is never lazy again. In 2030, the savings account is replaced by the smart yield engine. Why does it still take 3 days to send money from New York to London? In 2030, it won't. Blockchain has become the invisible back end of the global financial system. Central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, have digitized the dollar and the pound. But more importantly, DeFi decentralized finance has removed the middleman. You are the bank. You provide liquidity, you verify transactions, and you keep the fees that used to go to bankers in expensive suits. Your account is now a globally accessible vault that no government can freeze without your private key. The biggest shift by 2030, the tokenization of reality. In the past, you needed millions to invest in commercial real estate or fine art. Now, everything from the air rights over a building to the future earnings of an athlete is a tradable token on the blockchain. Your bank account in 2030 is a diversified bucket of real-world assets. You might pay for your morning coffee using a microfraction of the gold you own, or a tiny slice of a Tesla charging station's daily revenue. Wealth is no longer about how much cash you have. It's about how many productive tokens you hold. But the 2030 frontier isn't without its dangers. As AI and blockchain merge, money becomes programmable. Governments could theoretically put an expiration date on your stimulus check or restrict your spending to approved vendors. This is why the Wealth Frontier mission is so critical. You must understand the difference between permission systems like CBDCs, and permissionless systems like Bitcoin. In 2030, your financial freedom will depend entirely on which rails you choose to run your wealth on. 2030 is closer than you think. The systems being built today are the foundations of your future. We've put together a 2030 tech stack guide in the description listing the protocols and AI tools we're using to stay ahead of the curve. Subscribe to Wealth Frontier to ensure you're the one in control of your digital future. The bank branch is closing, but the frontier is just opening. See you in the next one.